Jano Star. If you don't know nobody who saw, just check out Dewey Wagwan one day and welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. And you don't know Dewey and Notnice. Yo, that thing I want different thing. I not tell no lie. Now where they Dewey and Momo them. And the same girl here so. I bash LiQWYD that boy we name Notnice, but a right thing do when I don't know. Yeah man, for the youth are crosses. You see it and any man bring new stay baby mother and them thing they are real. Toilet, you see me? Yeah man, I not tell no lie. The youth we name Notnice. He don't have a point where he must say about do here. So I not tell lie, I not take off no man, you see it. So if you're not new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it for future upload, you get it right as a job. But me I tell you say yo. I don't know much you say about that youth, but that youth are not real, you see me? Yeah man, you're wrong thing do because do still not mix up himself with Momo now. Yeah man, Momo are real low as you see it. Yeah man, Momo the man on nobody, you see me? If you want your career to flap and thing, you link up Momo them. And a nasty more boy and name Notnice. Them youth are not real youth. You see it, so just forward and do we have a video here so when my Xpose Notnice where I send voice note to him baby mother all kind of something. Go forward now if you don't hear what I go on here, man.
It's about nobody.
Dvppy.
That's not I'm for send this but listen me. Hungry I'm go live, come and I want to do it with
Notnice,
do
no
it.
way.
Me now work for free. That's why I live uptown again. And them that she is I met Roman and page him and I tell him
What is so they never that ear was gone? Notnice, me. Yeah? Cause you talk about mix up. Notnice, so you call my baby mother and tell my baby mother say I deal with her some type of way because through Momo come. Yeah? And true she can't do what I want her to do. Make me a deal with her the way how me a deal with her. Remember good no man? I wonder if you remember good. You remember when Momo come here? Or when Momo come here and when she come and go back up, where you turn to me and say, when Momo say about me? Remember good no? See how my mother mind me. Listen closely now.
this one is a girl in her. When she not have nothing to touch. You see me? So she more as him can roll him she there. Get a more for Jamaica man, you see me? As him can roll him she there. Get a more
You want to fuck up that. I think more than they know, but listen where. Listen how corrupted this boy is.
just I say one thing. Just I say one thing to you. I never disrespect you yet, never call you out your name, I never violate you. You see me? You know what happened? I know why I'm not call back your phone, I'm not text you, leave you alone. I might listen me now. Your baby father can't mix me. And you disrespect me for no reason, but I show you this. They talk about me, say this and me, say that. I don't know about your child, I don't know what kind of what situation you go through. But I don't know about your baby. I'm wish you kid all the best. I'm gonna love your child, I'm gonna respect you. Say there, I'm tell you this. When a man ever say, rate, him fuck boy a child heart rate, call him a baby born. If you can't do the thing for him, we are call him and tell him about heart rate, tell him about shoes rated. If you do something for him rated, that's not a man, that's a bitch. You see me? And the only reason I do this is because of what he did. And that's why I say, I'm going to tell you this, brother.
Remember, under call on my phone. You understand? And through me not take on a program now. You get me? The whole out no want vomit and puke. But you know go and vomit and puke. You hear that? I'm done telling you go suck on no mother. Argument done. People them there. Well, me have a couple people well on the pop on the live here. No listen not nice eh.
You can't block this for man. I really want them on RS style, I want them real, you know. You see me? Real want them. You see? It's like I'm 2 times, I'm still come back and foot and say, you see me, you got black on the page. You see me? This is big but you know, listen to what me.
Wait. Who is that big style me? Eh? Momo. That's the big pussy girl. Straight and forward. People who no go and listen. This is this man text me. You understand on Instagram. I block you on one of your page, brother. And you come use your next page. This is last week. Yeah? A matter of fact, today I went. Since week this. Yeah, no? Saturday gone this. This is Saturday. You see me? Saturday run up in my DM with a different page, brother. I beg me for
People keep on don't answer my phone. Either. Be people that call my phone and say, yo, rated, do it. Me don't want to get hurt, bro. Me and I have nothing everything good, bro. You see me? But listen, you're a man, any man will talk about them picnic, them are me.
Anyway,
so long me
anybody who knows me, I have $2,000 and I'm 100,000 that on my account steady more time. I'm get up and drive Uber every day.
See?
IRS clock me, I'm still not for run up and down.
This is what me hear. Anytime me
and I'm laughing.
Everybody got problem with me talk. Me never talk, me just
Yo,
stop
it.
Yo, go
on
and turn on the mother inside out. You see me? Because when people that disrespect me, I'm my own. Nobody now say, oh, be like, oh, not nice, I chill for already.
I did that, nigga.
And I put me in a
problem.
Get mad over
something. Y'all tell Dewey to say something. Yeah. Jamaica spending money, nigga. I'm helping, nigga. You can't even pay me for kissing your little nasty crony ass. You got a body of a 7-year-old. You just tall, nigga. That's why you gotta sit on bitches' lap. You just
real man. The talk about them, their own child like that. You gotta see about art rate.
I got in the car next to
no, real man. The talk about them. You and everybody are followers and clowns and the one. So see me and play with me.
You know how long me did I chill? You know how long me have bill? And in friend I said just low out do it because we don't want to go certain place.
But respect, brother. And things, that's why Queen roll you. You like things. I want to see you.
Bro, I seen that nigga say he just got that have a car so he could ride around her car at daytime while she at work. Yo, Dewey, I would never, nigga. I would never. They told you I was gonna be your biggest downfall, nigga, if you play with me. You should never play with me because you're in your feelings. Nobody did nothing to you, bitch. Get out your bag,
Queen
nigga.
Take it back. Yo, brother, Dewey is a workers boy. Do things, brother. Him no real girl, no good, bro.
But who that know, Renee? Me. You think, yeah, man? Me not play with man. When him stop tell me certain things. You think me that I come, you hear what I can say? Me not come at Jamaica and spend the money. I had money on me and couch. I never spend $1 with Cash Wayne. And when me I leave Cash Wayne, no say I have money. Matter of fact, me keep on and tell Cash Wayne say, yo, I have money. When him pick me up from Mobile, and me I say, I have gas, him have gas. Me say, I have money. I'll know him not take no money from me. When me I left, remember I said money and everything. So I went to the airport and I changed out about $400. That's it.
Because that's what a real man do. Pussy doing a no for that. Alright, the man that Canada and be able to feed him every day. I want this girl. You want this as a Momo, you want.
Him say him baby mother never want him put icky on her neck and she didn't want the icky go on her breast.
Right, yeah, definitely, yes.
So me say maybe she have man then.
Right, thank you.
Dewey, you want to play with me? I like to get physical because I love bitch niggas. What's me not some cat bad? How you gonna get mad? Oh, you thought I was gonna spend money on you? Now that's what the me for my time. Yo, I even forgot I had money.
Like Uno will get.
Whoa. I can deal with them a big baller, you know. Alright, Ace. If I put on a trainers that are not kickball now. Can't kickball with that shoes, slippers. Ace! Crazy! Never lazy me and my grandbabies. Outside in the nice weather. Yeah. You see that? Yes, a kickball. My grandbabies are become footballer. Rally scores out there now. Score for him team. Big baller them love. Ah. Yeah.